Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 8, Refraining from Greed. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our exploration of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, focusing on the Buddha's teaching on avoiding refraining from greed. If we can abstain from greed, we will attain 5 kinds of freedom. First, freedom of body and mind, with all senses intact. Greed is like a heavy shackle, binding our body and mind. When our heart is consumed by greed, our body, speech, and mind, the 3 karmas, lose their freedom and our 6 senses become impaired. The 5 colors blind the eyes, the 5 sounds deafen the ears, and the 5 flavors ruin the palate. All these are caused by the corruption of greed. Only by refraining from greed can our body and mind truly be free, and our senses restored to clarity and completeness. Second, freedom in wealth. Greed is the root of calamity. When our heart is filled with greed, our possessions easily attract the envy of adversaries and thieves. However, when our heart is pure and free from greed, our wealth is naturally protected, safe from being taken by any foe or thief. Third, freedom in merit. By abstaining from greed, we can obtain whatever we desire, with all needs fulfilled. Fourth, freedom in status. This refers not only to worldly positions of power, such as kingship, but also to the respect and influence we hold among others. When our heart is free from greed, our character naturally becomes noble, earning the admiration and reverence of the masses. Precious and wondrous things will be offered to us due to our virtuous conduct. Fifth, surpassing gains. By refraining from greed, not only do we obtain what we seek, but what we receive surpasses our expectations 100-fold. This is because, in the past, we were neither stingy nor envious, and we widely practiced virtuous deeds, leading to such extraordinary fruits in the present. These 5 kinds of freedom are the pure fruits of abstaining from greed. If we dedicate these merits to the highest perfect enlightenment, we will, upon becoming Buddhas, be revered as the most honored in the 3 realms, receiving the respect and offerings of all beings. Therefore, let us immediately let go of greed, allowing our hearts to attain true freedom and ease. Thank you all for listening.